Thank you.
I'm ready to listen to your insights.
Good morning, Your Excellency.
您好，上午好。
非常欢迎你。
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
非常感谢，非常感谢您。
Summit. China and Kenya have always been the leaders. Together, we have put in place a number of flagship connectivity projects, giving a strong boost to economic and social development in the region and bringing benefits to our two peoples.
Kenya-China Comprehensive Partnership Agreement, a strategic partnership that is based on a people-to-people engagement framed on programs that are mutually beneficial between our two countries.